Hi, I'm Paul from Business Systems Connection. Welcome to BSC TV. Today we're going to be looking at one of Planet Technology's Layer 2 to Layer 4 manageable gigabit switches, the GS-4210-48T4S. So let's break down the part number of the switch. The GS stands for standalone gigabit switch. The number 4 represents the switch function, which is Layer 2 to Layer 4 combined functions. The number 2 represents the OSI level the switch operates at, so for a switch would be Layer 2. The number 1 represents the chipset solution of the switch, and number 1 with Planet corresponds to a Realtek chipset solution. The 48T represents the 48, 10, 100, 1000 gigabit Ethernet ports on the switch, and the 4S represents the 4, 100, 1000 SFP slots used for fiber optic uplink. So let's open up the switch and see what's inside. Off to the side here, you get a 3-prong power switch and 2 rack mount ears. Also comes with a handy quick install guide. Here's the switch itself. Comes in 1U rack mount heights. As you can see, ports number 1 through 48 are gigabit Ethernet ports. They each come with green and orange LED indicators. The green signifies link connectivity, and once you get into gigabit throughput, the orange LED lights up. And ports 49 through 52 are the SFP slots. They're limited to 1 LED each, but they function similarly. The orange means you're getting link connectivity in 100 megabits per second, and the green LED means you're getting link connectivity in 1000 megabits per second. Also comes with power on and system on LED indicators. And off to the far right, you have a reset button should you need to return the switch back to factory default settings. Flipping the switch over to the rear panel, you see we only have a power input and an on-off switch. And you notice there's no fans anywhere to be seen. That's because the switch has a fanless design. It instead dissipates heat through the side vents. The switch comes with new generation green networking technology, so you get the benefits of both gigabit performance and energy savings. You can even enable a power saving mode in order to save energy during off-peak hours. So let's talk about the performance of the GS-4210-48T4S. It features a store and forward architecture. It has 104 gigabits per second of non-blocking switch fabric. That's plenty of bandwidth for future upgrades. It also supports Internet Protocol version 4 and Internet Protocol version 6, again future-proofing the switch, so you won't need to completely replace your edge networks when you're making the jump to IPv6. And best of all, the cost of this switch is about the same as buying a fast Ethernet switch. So let's talk about some of the Layer 2 and management features of the GS-4210-48T4S. Features packet loss prevention, including half duplex, full duplex, and run CRC filtering. It supports VLANs, including 802.1q, Q&Q, protocol, voice, private, and management VLANs. It supports spanning tree protocol, including rapid spanning tree and multiple spanning tree protocol. It also has link aggregation, including 802.3AD link aggregation control protocol, which is very useful if you connect 2 of these switches between a server farm and an edge network. With link aggregation and port trunking, you can connect to a backbone with up to 8 gigabits per second throughput if you use gigabit Ethernet SX, LX, or BX SFP modules. The GS-4210-48T4S is full of robust quality of service and traffic management features. Some of these features include quality of service traffic classification, high GMP snooping, radius authentication, Layer 2 to Layer 4 access control list, and MAC security. Switch management interfaces available include web switch management via IPv4, IPv6, Telnet command line, SNMP up to version 3, and HTTPS. This is a high-power switch at a reasonable cost and is an excellent solution to business-class video data transmission and voice-over internet protocol. Thanks for watching this edition of BSC TV. If you'd like to learn more about the GS-4210-48T4S or any other Planet Gigabit switch, you can call us at 877-271-9484. You can visit us on the web at shop.businesscon.com. And for a full list of every management feature available with this switch, you can click the link in the description. See you next time.